Correct these sentences. Don't wait until it's too late to buy an ticket for the show. Guys, we just got some pretty obvious problems here. We've got some homophone problems. Remember a homophone? Okay, I'm going to type this word in. A homophone is a word that sounds the same but does not mean the same thing and is not spelled the same thing. Okay? The same way. Not the same thing, the same way. So a homophone is a word that, like there, and there, through and through, two, and two. There's lots of them. But a homophone sounds the same, but it's not spelled the same and it doesn't mean the same. So there are some of those in here. So just be very aware. Number 2, why ain't you got no time to help me? Why ain't you got no time to help me? Please don't speak this way. You won't get a job. That's why we do this. It's so we can communicate in a much better way. Why ain't you got no time to help me? Guys, you need to fix this. We have double negatives here. We have the word ain't. We love to say it, but we're not supposed to. So don't, and let's fix it. I'm going to let you just have at it. There's not a whole lot to say here. Number 3, complete this analogy. Horse is to quadruped as human is to, goodness gracious. So I like analogies a lot. It's when you find a connection between two words. So what is the connection between these two words is what they're wanting you to find. A horse has, quad, by the way, means 4. So a horse has 4 what? And a human, what's the connect? So if you find that connection, which we just did, what would be a word that would fit here that would go along with what they just told you here? So the connection was found here. So a human, we obviously have 2 legs. So what could be a word that goes here? All right, number 4. Circle the best word to complete the sentence. Blank that woman standing by your car. Well, just decide. There's one right answer. Circle the adverb in this sentence. Yes, adverb. What in the world is an adverb? Guys, but look. Adverb has the word verb in it. So that tells us something. An adverb is a word that describes what? Verb. That's why the word verb's in it. So it's a word that describes a verb. They are always late to ball games. Which word describes the verb? And I'm going to tell you guys, answer this question. When are they late? If you can answer that question, you know what the adverb is. Okay? Because sometimes I've told you before, when we draw a subject predicate line, who or what is this sentence about? Well, in this case, it's about they. We don't know who they are. I know that's a pronoun, so we don't know who they are, but that's who the sentence is about. And I also have said the verb always follows the subject predicate line, and it does. So, but here we've got an adverb. We've got an adverb explaining the verb, describing the verb. So they are always late to ball games. So when are they late? Answer that question. Okay.